Welcome on the channel. Today is the second part of my fight with waste pump. Today electrical connection of this waste pump using the relay, because this power which is taken through by this pump is quite huge. I don't want to send it through all the wiring. So if anybody have a questions about it, of course I can promise it will be long and boring, but if anybody have a question about using relays, just leave a comment and ask. Thank you very much. Welcome to the video. So we have to connect everything and make the all electrical connections. Okay. It's a kind of standard automotive relay. So we have the description. So 85, 86, this is a coil, 87, A87, this is connected to 30, it means it's always connected to 87A and will be connected to 87 when we energize the coil. This is like a description, and on the back side, I don't know if we can see it or not, usually it means nearly always. Focus please. Yeah, we have description of connectors. Yeah, so we have to connect socket, relay socket according this description. What I wanna do is, because of this pump take something like even 12 amps, I don't wanna use the long wires from switch to the pump, because it's so long will be voltage dropout, and you know this is only 1 mil wire, and even I don't have this wire right now, so I decide to connect it through relay. It means we have switch, power source, we energize the coil of relay, and this relay will energize pump. So here we have quite thick wire, it means 2 square mil, and here we will use something much less, it's even not 1 mil wire, it will be something like a 0.3, just to energize this coil is only 200 milliamps here, and here in this B12 amps. This is just main idea. In my case it will be bit more complicated. It means I have first switch, it will be service switch, it switch on the service light. Service means light inside the toilet compartment when you remove the cassette, and under the underneath when you wanna connect the pipe for hose for drain the waste tank. Then if the service will be switched on, next stage will be waste dump and water dump. It's not about so I don't like wiring, I love it, but when I have to do anything in a ready build, it gets me crazy. I have to pull inside the power wire for waste pump, plus for waste sensor, and I don't want to make a new hole. I want to use existing, but everything is so tight, and I don't want to disconnect everything just to pull two wires, so I have to find the solution. It's visible or not, but I have a loop of some wires to the boiler inside the seal, so I pull it out, attach this white draw wire and pull together. Okay, and right now the end of this whole wiring I have to attach. I attached to this white wire which I inside. Let's try to. Whoa! Full success! My first idea to send wires through the boiler compartment, then behind the bathroom, etc. was maybe nice and good, but it not works. After 40 minutes of struggling, I decided to send wires just underneath, make a hole and send it here, just straight to this area. Less nice, but should work. It will be a big surprise if it works as it should from the first time. Okay, let's go. One done, two to go. Okay, let's connect the ground to all three of switches. I wanna make it as a one loop. I don't wanna fit too many connectors. One loom, not loop. Should be something like that. Yep. So I need a connector. Okay. Ay. Let's try it again. Probably it's too. Okay, 1. Same with so this will be waste dump. No. So this is will be water dump. It's left like that. So can make it shorten or not shorten. So let's say it's done. I suppose so. In this connector will be power and ground. Tight. Now, what I can do? and this. I suppose it was this color. Okay, so we connecting. Okay. Wrong. It's going over it. Oh. Okay, first test. Okay, works. Okay, so this loom with 4 switches are behind. This loom 4 switches are behind this ply board. Anyway, I have to connect to this main connector. This connector was for something different, and fit the switches and make first test. For the first test right now, without relay in the back compartment. We have service light switch and waste dump and water dump. Okay, right now not working. Service switch, and right now we can use the dump switch. Okay, let's fit the relay. How? Okay, it should be like that. Now we have relay, so we perfect. Of course, right now we have to manage something with these wires. It's half done. Some connectors have to be repaired, but generally system operate.